Hey guys, while we're unboxing, I want to talk about this camera I got. It's a $70 action camera called the Akaso Ek7000. It's a budget type action camera and I wanted to get it for vlogging and stuff like that for the channel. I'll tell you my overall rating at the end of the video. But yeah, and I'm really excited about this camera. So far I really like it. The quality is pretty good. The 4K is not exactly 4K, but it's still pretty decent for a $70 camera. So I'll tell you my overall rating. I don't want to spoil too much, but yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, I lied. I'm back. I want to apologize for the terrible camera quality and the angle. This was the best angle I could get for this unboxing video, and I'm recording this on my phone, hence why I am buying a camera. So yeah, that's it. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm recording on the Akaso Ek7000. It's basically like a GoPro, but almost like an off-brand. It was like 70 bucks. If you guys want it, I'll send a link in the description so you guys can get some. And this is the stuff it came with. It came with like a bunch of different mounts. Came with these mounts, which are like sticky pads, and you can stick them on there, and then you can put the GoPro on there. Came with a waterproof case for it. Also came with a second like back part for it. I don't know why and what that's for, but yeah. Came with some like helmet attachment belt thingy, I don't know. And so this is like you can clip it onto your shirt type of mount. It came with a case with the mounts and stuff, remote, and a cleaning kit with extra sticky pads for that, and you got some cables and a bunch of zip ties, which I don't know what that's for. Probably for one of the mounts, I don't know. But I'll show you some previews of like our fish tanks, testing this inside the fish tank, some pictures. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey guys, so this camera is pretty good for a $70 budget action camera. The one downside to it, the mic is a internal mic, I think, not an external, which means that the internal mic is collecting everything that's coming from the inside of the camera. So the audio kinda sucks, and I don't think you can really add, like, you can't just plug in a mic. I tried it. There could be an attachment that you can do, I don't know. But that's the only downside. But everything else is pretty good. I mean, it does a 16 gigabyte SD card. It's got 2 batteries, and it's both of them 90 minutes long. It's really good, and it'll get the job done. I'm pretty impressed with it. The 4K, it's not exactly 4K, but what do you kind of expect for a $70 camera? But yeah, that's my overall rating. It's pretty up there. It's pretty, I mean, if you guys want a budget camera, I mean, $70 is not like, oh, cheap, but for an action camera, it kind of is. I would buy it, and it comes with a lot of cool attachments, and it comes with a waterproof case and all that stuff. Sorry, ignore my cat. That's gonna suck in the recording. So yeah, I mean, quality is really good, and what I'm really impressed was when I was in the water with the tank right here. The colors just come out so well, and the colors are gorgeous. And I was really surprised how well the colors came out on the camera. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.